So we're in the midst of a flash crash going on right now. We've got crypto dropping dramatically, down almost 6+% on the overall market, giving up billions of dollars. You know, you got Bitcoin going below 26,000, Ethereum going down almost 6+% to 1,800, and everything else you can see BNB down. Obviously, we're going to talk about that. Has to do with Binance. I'm sure you've heard what's going on, but I'm going to dig a little bit deeper into it and tell you the reason for this flash crash and kind of tell you what is going on. But if we continue to look real quickly, Dogecoin down 9.5, Solana down 10.5, Polygon 7.7, Tron. It's just pervasive across everything. SHIB down 8+%. Continuing on, Cosmos down 7+%, and the largest loser right now, as far as out of the top 100, Pepe giving up almost 20%. Like soon maybe fall out of the top 100. So what is going on? What is the issue here, and what's happening? Well, I'm sure you've heard by now, but the SEC has sued Binance. They're also suing the CEO of Binance, alleging misconduct and all this kind of stuff. Here's the thing. It's caused a bank run. And so you have hundreds of millions of dollars of dollars that are being pulled off of Binance, mostly probably Binance.us, the US arm of Binance, the US website, the US version of it, and all that money is outflowing. It's outflowing out of the crypto market, and that's one of the main reasons you see what's going on here. Is again, you've got kind of this fear, uncertainty, and doubt scenario playing out. You know, is this going to be the end of Binance? Is something here going to happen? And this is a move we've been kind of wondering if it was going to happen, what was going to come play out. Well, now you're seeing it, and the fallout is obviously happening. Is this the end of crypto? Absolutely not. I mean, it's not necessarily a huge doom and gloom thing. It's not a lot of fun, but you got this scenario playing out where, again, it's really impacting Bitcoin, Ethereum dramatically. And really the lead story here, again, is the hundreds of millions, north of 500 million plus, leaving the Binance exchange, people basically pulling their money out of the exchange. And it's that fear, it's that uncertainty. And that is kind of the 1-2 punch of what's going on with crypto. And I guarantee you it's probably impacting other exchanges as well. If other exchanges were to divulge the outflows today, you would see money moving out of pretty much every major exchange, probably crypto.com, Coinbase, and you name it, KuCoin, and so forth. And because of the fear and uncertainty around, okay, is this the first of one or more dominoes to fall, i.e. the SEC suing Binance? Are they going to go after this one or that one or this one? Fear, right? And flash crash we're in the middle of right now. Got to ride it out. I'm a long-term holder. And I'll remind you of the silver lining. These are the days you buy, right? You buy on the red days. You buy when things are moving down, because you can look at pretty much everything across the board. And now you got a situation playing out where, for example, XRP is at a 7.4 discount right now. Cardano is now discounted. It's on sale. It's down 8%. Solana's down 10.5%. Litecoin's down 9%. SHIB's down 8.3%, and so forth, and so forth, and so on. And so, is this one of those things where you need to be running for the hills? I mean, it's relative, right? You have to do what's right for you. Me, I'm staying, and I'm going to continue to add to my respective bags. So, with that said, truly, thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my video. I greatly appreciate it. My videos, one channel, multiple videos. See you. Go make some money.